I do. I was supposed to start recording yesterday and probably didn't for some reason, but I've started work on my new welding bench. So what I've done, I've had some thick sheet metal which I've made feet for. There's the front legs, there's the cat, there's one of the back legs, there's another back leg. These big casters are going on the bottom, and those big metal plates are going to be the bench. So they're 1500 by 300 by, I don't know, maybe 15 mil thick, something like that. They're heavy. So I spent most of yesterday actually just wire brushing all the box section down just to get the surface rust off. These actually, the angle line wasn't so bad, but yeah, no, it's raining. Yeah. So what I think I'm going to do today, once the cat goes away so I don't scare her off, is get all the angle line together, because that's going to be the frame that those two big lumps of metal are going to be sitting on. So that makes sense. Right. Oh, right. I've just getting the two big plates to do a test fit, and that does the business. It weighs a ton, so I'm not going to shift it very far, but there it is. I did some nice welds and I did some minging welds, but yeah. So what I'll do on a day when it's not raining, as you can possibly hear outside, I'll get those two things wire brushed down and oiled so they're ready to go. But that looks alright, not perfect, but don't care. You'll not see it when I paint it anyway. So there's job done for now. I'm gonna have my tea and I'll continue on with starting to stick them together and working out where I'm going to put my fifth leg. And yeah, it's actually, if you can see, it's actually going to live in that general area. So I've got all of this shite to move out the way till it's in place. But the good thing is, once it's in place, a lot of this crap will be able to get tidied away out of the way. So for all I'm making new furniture, I'm going to create more space, allegedly. Right, I'll see you on the next bit. I do. Right, next job, get the wheels welded on, and then start sticking the frame together. That might be galvanised. I'm hoping it's not. It's a bit slimy actually. If it lights up with really bright blue flame, then I know it's galvanised, so I'll have to wire brush it off. But I'll do a quick weld and see whether I'm going to poison myself or not. So right, let's crack on. Oh my god, this is going to kill his. Hello son. Oh, right, back in the garage in a minute. My god, I didn't know what I did to deserve that, but whoa, it made us emotional. Right, back on with the job, because I've finished with the jobby. So this is the frame that the big metal plates are going to lie on. Upstairs I've got the magnets holding the leg in place. I'm going to get that welded, then I'm going to do the other leg, and then I'm going to figure out well, how to get the rest of it done. So I'll see you in a couple of welds. Right, as you can see, I am now tucked in a little space. You would not believe the monumental pain in the bollocks it was to actually get this welded up and then stood up and then finish the welds off. So there you go, there's tidy, there's tidy, there's a few minging ones but you cannot see them. So it's actually so big I can't actually fit it in the frame, or if I zoom, yeah, if I do the weird fisheye thing I still cannot fit it in. But so once I get, where are they, those big plates there on here, then there's a bit more space freed up. So the good thing is, hang on, bits of that crap there, another little bits of crap, I'm going to build some shelving along the bottom so that box specifically can fit in there, another little bits of crap so it's out of the way. I need to get me strengtheners in between on there, and then probably another bit about going across there just to strengthen something enough for that to sit on, and then the crap I've got here, it's all going to get moved out of the way. So I think I may put this, well, the plan was to actually have it there. I may now put it there, but either way I'm going to have an evening of being a Turdis black belt again, shifting all this crap out of the way. But the good thing is lots of the crap will be able to get stashed underneath, and the plan was to, this is actually a little bit taller than even I'd planned, was to actually have some shelves going across. Can you keep up? So I can stand me MIG, me stick and TIG welder, me plasma cutter, and I even dare I say it, me shitty little Happy Shopper flux core MIG on. So at least that's all up there, out the way. Yeah, and then I was wanting to keep those holes so I can just put hooks in and dangle things off as well. But I don't know. It's still a work in progress, evolving. So I'll see how it go. So right, I'm going to see if I can clear a path to the door. Have a attempt a bit of a tidy up, and that'll do us for the night, I think. So at least I'm not building another one of these. Oh, right, I had a sudden attack of enthusiasm there, so extra bonus little clip. So I got it turned around, and with the power of Grayskull, the power of leverage, and the power of bad language, managed to get the two big lumps of metal on, which are extremely heavy. I'm actually going to work out how heavy they are in a minute, but I couldn't be bothered to lift the anvil again. That's only 51 kilos. God, I wouldn't be surprised if that was 80, 90, maybe it's a little bit more, but it's on. I've still got all this crap to shift, got the anvil to rebuild and reposition, but I'm buggered if I'm doing that tonight. Tell you what, like, what an absolute beast. I think you could land a helicopter on there. Well, maybe not, but yeah, I got more done tonight than what I was expecting, so I think I'll actually post this. I'm still going to get these back off, get them wire brushed down, cleaned up and oiled. I'll do the other side. I think I'll paint underneath and then I don't know, I might have tomorrow off. But then I'll start working on me, you know, me strengtheners and bits and bobs and tidying up. And then come the weekend when I need to get some more work done, I'll probably set me back off and run out of steam. So I'll probably just end up watching Star Trek all weekend. So let's see if I can zoom out and get it all in a one. Ow, what was that I stood on? Oh, I'll forget that out of the way. Hey, there you go. Just, I would hate to think what that weighs. I'm pleased it's got wheels. So, right, I'm going to go and have me tea. I'll post this in a bit. And I'll see you later. Ba-ding. Bonus footage. I actually did a quick check on Google to work out how heavy they are. And it turns out that each one of these metal slabs is about 141 kilos. So I actually don't feel so bad about struggling to lift them now, in my weekend state. So yeah, so there you go. 3 amigos.